Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Rubu classes.
Today's topic represent root 2, which is an irrational number on number line. So let's do that. Step 1. What we need to do? First, draw a number line. Both the sides put arrow. Alright, so this is our line. Now mark here 0. Now in this number line we need to write the numbers. Numbers हमें equal distance में ही लिखना है. So what we'll do? Equal distance में we will mark. ठीक है? Equal distance में will mark. Let us mark in equal distance. Towards the left hand side also, where negative numbers lie. Alright. Now let me darken the marks. So this is 0, this one is 1, this one is 2, this one is 3. Alright, this one is -1. This much already you have studied. Now what we'll do, this 0 point, let us mark as O. So 0 is O and this 1, let us mark as A. Alright, 0 as O, 1 as A. And the distance between 0 and O means OA. This distance let us assume as 1 unit. Alright, the distance between 0 and 1 means OA. This distance we have assumed as 1 unit. Alright, this much. Now what we need to do, we need to draw a perpendicular line on A. Okay, so our next step is draw perpendicular line on A. Now let's do that. Pointer we need to place here. One arc. Now again second arc. This is 60. Now place here. This is 120. We need to bisect this to draw perpendicular line. Place here. Place here. Again place here. Alright. Now from here to A join it. Okay, ये हमें join करना है. Yes. So here this is 90 degree. Alright. So this is 90 degree. Now what we need to do, OA की distance लेके we need to take OA distance, we need to cut this line segment. यहाँ पे OA की distance हमें mark करना है and let us darken that point. This as B. This is as B. Means OA is equal to OB. Yes, this is also 1 unit. This one is 1 unit and AB is equal, this is AB. Okay, OA is equal to AB. This is equal to this 1 unit and this is 1 unit. And this angle A is 90 degree. Since we have drawn perpendicular line. Clear? Now what we need to do, let us join O and B. ये दो पॉइंट को हम join कर देंगे. ठीक है? All right. So we have joined. So we have got one triangle OAB, yes, or BAO, which is a right angle triangle. OB is the hypotenuse. OB is the hypotenuse. So OB square is equal OA square plus AB square. Pythagoras theorem. All right. Now, therefore, OB is equal root of OA square plus AB square. Yes. Now what is OA? We have assumed as 1 square plus AB is also 1 only. Fine. So 1 plus 1 root 2. So that means OB is root 2. From O to B this distance is root 2. So this much distance we want on this number line. because your question is represent root 2, this irrational number on number line. So this OB, the distance which is root 2 distance, we need to show on the number line. Now let's do that. Let us take this distance. This OB distance we have taken. This is, and we will mark over here. We will mark over here. All right. Let me darken this point. So this from O, let me mark this one, this point as C. So OC, so this here root 2 lies here. All right. Root 2 lies here at C point. At C point, root 2 lies. So this is how, using Pythagoras theorem, we need to show root 2, which is an irrational number on number line. All right. Now you need to show root 3 on number line. All right. The method is same only, using Pythagoras theorem. Previously, you drew perpendicular line at point A. All right. Now you are going to draw perpendicular line at point B. Already I have drawn. You can use rounder to draw perpendicular line, or otherwise as your teacher says. So this perpendicular line already BC, let me mark over here. BC already I have drawn. Perpendicular at point B. Let me mark here 90 degrees. So this is 90. All right. Now you need to show root 3 on number line. So first step, draw perpendicular at point B. Draw perpendicular at point B, which already I have drawn. You can use rounder as well, as your teacher says. Now what you need to do next, one unit OA, one unit you need to take, keep the pointer here at B, and one unit you mark here at BC. One unit you need to mark. Let me give this point's name as D. So BD is equal to OA is equal to AB. All right, let me write. Let me write here. BD is equal, this BD is equal to AB, is equal to OA, is equal to OA, is equal 1 unit. All right, fine. This is 90 degree. We have drawn perpendicular at B. Now let's join D and O. All right, D and O. So what have we got? We have got hypotenuse. Okay, so OD square is equal, Pythagoras theorem, OD square is equal OB square plus BD square plus BD square. All right, this is plus OD square is equal OB square plus BD square. Therefore OD is equal OB square plus BD square, root of OD square plus BD square. All right, OB square plus BD square. So now what is OB's value? It is root 2. OB is root 2. All right, and BD is 1 square. So root 2 square means 2 plus 1, root sign over here. So is equal root 3. That means this OD is root 3. All right, clear? This OB root 2, OD, this distance is root 3. Now this much distance we have to mark at the number line. Let's do that. Place your pointer at O and take radius, root 3. Put it at D. This much radius we need to take, which is root 3. And cut here at the number line, our number line. Cut at our number line. Fine. This point, let it mark as P. This is our P. And OP, the distance OP is equal root 3. All right, the distance OP is equal root 3. So P point represent, therefore P point represent root 3. Clear? So this is how, using Pythagoras theorem, we first showed root 2 on number line, which is C point. Now root 3 on number line, which is P point.